Hi, I'm Colin McClelland, Editor-in-Chief of the Northern Miner at our annual Symposium in London. Today I'm with Robert MacDonald, Vice President of Exploration at Southern Silver Exploration. Robert, how's it going there? Tell us a bit about the company, give us a bit of background and your key project.
Well, thank you very much, Colin, and it's great to sit down with you and to have a discussion. Our flagship project, well, I guess I should back up. Southern Silver is a junior exploring company based out of Vancouver.
Right.
We trade primarily on the TSXV, but also on the OTCQX, as well as the Frankfurt Exchange. Our flagship project is our Cerro Las Minitas silver lead zinc skarn project down in Durango, Mexico.
Right.
We've been working on the project since 2011, since acquisition in 2011, and have continued to build and grow the mineral resources. We have now recently completed an updated preliminary economic assessment on the project, which is leading us through 2024 and now into 2025.
Tell us a bit about the PEA you've done. What are some highlights of it? I think you've got some estimates there going forward.
Yes, we felt very good about this update. We've reached a number of milestones. We've identified an after-tax NPV at a 5% discount of $500 million US dollars, an internal rate of return of 21.2. The project is long-lived and a big producer, a 17-year mine life. Over the life of mine, over 240 million silver equivalent ounces will report to the mill. It'll generate some very robust cash flow and free cash flow over the life of mine, and is very strongly leveraged to silver and zinc. So if you feel, as I do, that the prices of certainly silver and zinc, will continue to rise, then we should be looking forward to some very good times in the coming quarters and years.
Right, and what do you find as some of the drivers? You know, we've got solar energy. What else is helping support the silver market these days?
I think that is really a big one. There's the physical demand for bullion that is becoming maybe a little more prevalent. Now as attention is as gold price gets higher and attention gets focused on silver. I think a lot of the EV applications are certainly or have already taken over from photography, and you're seeing more silver going into building computer screens, computer components, and so yes, I think it's very heady days. I've recently heard that silver is now in a 180 million ounce deficit for 2024. This will be the third year, possibly fourth year in a row of deficit in silver, and so not only from the bullion side, but from just pure demand on the industrial side, things look very good for silver looking forward into 2025.
Right, now you might have faced some challenges in Mexico, certainly under the last president. New president, Claudia Sheinbaum, maybe a bit more progressive when it comes to mining. What's your outlook?
It sounds like it. I think everybody was quite cautious after the landslide win by her party. However, it seems that she may be more pragmatic than the previous president, the previous administration. One of the encouraging things was that she brought in her Minister of Mines, Secretary of Mines, Secretary of the Economy, two individuals that were well known within the business community. Right. And from what I understand, they have already reached out to the mining industry, and hopefully that sets maybe a better course, or at least a more cooperative relationship between business and the mining industry and the current administration. We will see.
Okay, what are your next steps there in Mexico, and how are you attracting investors to it?
Well, at this time we have two things that we're doing. We've grown the deposit to over 300 million silver equivalent ounces in the indicated and the inferred category. We've now completed the initial PEA on the project, and so we're looking at what are the next steps. How do you transition the project, whether through outright sale of the project or through joint venture of the project, to get it to a production decision for the benefit of the shareholder. So we are active in creating a blue sky profile that we will share with CA holders, with third parties that are interested in either purchasing or coming in a joint venture, as well as we would like to show again some of the blue sky potential, additional exploration potential, and we've started a 6,000 meter drill program just this past month, which will carry through until the end of February. And this is a proof of concept that will show the expandability of the mineral resources on the project, to show greater flexibility in mine planning in the future.
That sounds fantastic, Robert. I've been with Robert MacDonald, the Vice President of Exploration at Southern Silver Exploration at the London Symposium put on by the Northern Miner. I'm Editor-in-Chief Colin McClelland. Thanks for watching.